Okay, guys, Microburst is seeming to have weakened a little. Not as strong, but you can still see where it's kind of at there. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Trying to catch a lightning on here. Didn't look like it worked. Yeah, it's pretty big. A microburst there. Wonder if we'll be getting any damage reports out of Piqua, which is south. Here's some over there. But yeah, we're under slight risk today. I don't know, this might be Weatherman's weather update. Just a short one about a microburst. Starting to move out of view though. That was loud. I think most of the lightning's over there now, which I cannot see unless I go across the road. Yeah, the top is up there above us. And it's collapsing over there. Maybe that was a lightning strike. I wasn't looking at it. I think there was a flash there. Yeah, it's getting a little windy, but not by much. That microburst is really just turned into a downpour over there. There's something starting to move over this way. Look like the storm's breaking apart. But look over there. Might as well walk out back. Point it upwards. And look at the sky as I do so. There's the edge of the storm. The storm was so big earlier. Oh wait, whoa. That's weird. It's like moving backwards. Yeah, I don't think I can get any more good shots. That was starting to rain here. It's not supposed to be raining here. That was weird. I guess the microburst is pushing in to here a little bit. So I'm going to go inside now. And just like that, the microburst has moved away from our area, but I looked on radar and there is some rotation around here in the storm. And I did get a good shot back there, but I haven't checked back here yet, and it looks pretty cool. Oh, that's pretty neat. I'm gonna have to get a picture of that. Let me hold that a little crooked. Whoops. Sorry if that's too crooked. No, I'm gonna hold it like this. I get a picture of that. That's pretty neat. And there is a little bit of rotation there. I think there's a little bit of a wall cloud. I don't know if you can see that down there. And it's starting to enter the microburst. That's really dark. There we go. Maybe if I point to it, like right in there, I kind of see a little bit of a wall cloud. But this is a nice intake, like an anvil. If this scud would move out of the way, we could see a nice anvil here. But you can see where the microburst has gone on the right side of the screen. Excuse me. Allergies. Yeah, that was an exploded storm, and there's another one coming our way too. That like the microburst split it into two storms and sent the left part of it up our way, and this part went mostly around us. But I looked, and it was more in Sydney than Piqua that got in the microburst, so Southern City might have had some damage. But yeah, you can see from here all the way back through here is the microburst. It's turned into a pretty heavy downpour with a little bit of hail. And it's starting to move out of the way. You can see a nice anvil there, overshooting top. That's a textbook anvil. If only that was more filled in, but it's starting to break apart a little because of the microburst. But yeah, there's even a little bit of rotation in there. You can see stuff forming over there. It's interesting. But yeah, once all these clouds move out of the way, it'll be a really nice picture of an anvil there. You can see how curved that is. This is a classic supercell setup. And once it moves even further away, it will be a really nice picture. So yeah, I think this is going to be a Weatherman's weather update, so this will be number 43, I believe. And those are moving away, so we'll get a nice picture here soon. Even though it already is really nice. If I can get all of it in screen. Yeah, you can see the wispy clouds there moving around with the rotation. I don't know why there isn't a tornado warning, because that is classic supercell. I think I'm going to go ahead and take another picture. To see if I can fit it all in. Maybe if I sit this down, I don't know if that's looking at it or not. Let's see if I can. I have filled my space to the max, so I'm going to have to see if I can delete some so I can try and get a pan out on this. Let's try that, see if that's enough for a one panel. It is. I think that turned out pretty nice. Yeah, that turned out pretty nice. Starting to lose its shape a little. But the sun's back out. And hopefully that's a good view of the storm for you guys. I'm not able to check it. This is beautiful. Looks like the scud's moved away. Maybe I can take another picture and see if that's a little better. That scud goes. Let's try. I got it. Okay, that's good enough for now. Just trying to get it. And now, there it is. You have the nice anvil, and then the inflow notch there, and then the outflow is where all the rain is. So I'm going to bring you guys around front and see if there's any more activity. There is a little more activity out here. The storms are starting to build back up over here. And we might get a stronger storm before it's all said and done. And I'm going to check the radar now and wait for this thing to get here. Okay guys, here's the next storm, and it is already pouring over there. As you can see, not quite a microburst, but it is pouring. Microburst is when the storm starts collapsing and all the air gets pushed out to the bottom. And that's when the hail and the winds push and fan out. But this storm has really small rotation on it, like not even noticeable rotation. The other one's starting to form a hook over in the county next to us. And then there's a really nice hook coming towards us, but there's no rotation on the hook, so it's strange. See if we can get a storm out of this, but this does have a mesocyclone kind of look to it. If you see the cloud, it kind of wraps around. There's a little wispy thing over there. There's an ambulance. Okay, I don't know if my last one's saved or not, but it is storming again. The next storm's come. And the last one you can still see over there with the nice anvil. But this over here has a downpour, and I heard some sirens, so I don't know if that's weather related or not. But this one has more of a mesocyclone feature to it. With a little bit of a curve and spin to it. Slight rotation, not very noticeable though, like I said. I'm just reiterating in case over there seems to be another downpour forming. But anyway, what I was saying is I'm reiterating in case the other one didn't say, because it said my storage was full. Again. And there seems to be two separate downpours right there. And over there is starting to form one. So, let's see how bad it actually gets. And this one's kind of coming a little towards us more than the other one, so we'll have to see if it hits us or not. Trying to get a good lighting so you can see the cloud formation, because it's pretty neat. Again, the clouds stretch all the way over to our heads. There's a lightning strike. I think I got that one on camera. But yeah, there's the thunder for that. That was pretty close actually. So I guess I'll pause it and see what happens with this storm. There's a downpour there, lightning there. I don't know if I got that on camera. And then over there, it looks like they're starting to form another one. So we'll have to see how bad it gets and if it hits us or not. Or if any warnings will be issued, because I don't have my phone on me, it's charging right now. But there's the lightning, thunder for that other lightning strike, and as we say goodbye to that storm, another one comes. And there is a nice hook over in the county to the west of us, so we'll see if that turns into something interesting. So yeah. Okay, the radar shows red right over us, but it seems like it's just a complex of storms that's showing up. I don't know why, but it's not pouring here, but it's getting a little windier. So I don't know if it's like a downpour specific area that will form randomly with these storms. There's a nice lightning strike. I don't know if it was blocked by the tree or not. But I noticed in the last video that the lightning strike was really weird looking. Like it was in between frames, so it was like broken in half. And it's starting to rain a little, but not much. Let's see if it turns into a downpour. It's just normal rain right now. So I'm gonna go inside so I don't get wet. But yeah.